Question number 1. Let us solve one number. What is the question? Using the formula for compound angles, so that sin 45 degree minus alpha equal to cos 45 degree plus alpha equal to 1 by root 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha. That means what? This sin the left hand side part. We have to show that remaining part, that is right hand side. Okay. So you can see here, yesterday I gave the formula. Now you can see this you can consider as A, this is B. So sin A minus B, what is the formula? You have to remember those formulas. Sin A minus B is sin A, what is A? 45 degree. Sin A cos B, what is B? Alpha, no? Minus cos A sin B, cos A sin B equal to, similarly cos A plus B, what is cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If it is plus sign, then minus will come. Cos A cos B. So what is cos A? 45 degree cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay. So this part is okay. Now what is sin 45 degree value? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into cos alpha. 1 by root 2 into cos alpha. I can write this one. This is also cos alpha by root 2. You can be written. So similarly, minus cos 45 degree, same value. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into sin alpha is sin alpha by root 2 equal to cos 45 degree, again it is same. Cos 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 into cos alpha is cos alpha by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into sin alpha by root 2. This part okay? Okay, now you can see here 1 by root 2, I can take comma. From both the terms I can take comma. So if I take comma 1 by root 2, so what will be written here? Cos alpha minus sin alpha equal to, from here also same case, 1 by root 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha. Now you can see right hand side. You can see right hand side matching. It is same. So therefore it is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. It is solved. Finished. Now let us see which number. 2 number also you can do it. Same. 2 number also you can do it. Sin 45 degree plus alpha, you have to apply the formula. Cos 45 degree minus alpha, again you have to apply the formula. Same way you have to go through, it will come. Now 3 number also same. You have to apply the formula. You have to apply the formula. After applying the formula, if there is any related, suppose sin 60 degree you are getting. So what is the value of sin 60 degree? Root 3 by 2 you have to put, and cancellation, you have to do cancellation, and then answer will come. So let us see 4 number. Very easy, in 2 steps I will complete 4 number. So what is the left hand side? Left hand side equal to cos 70 degree cos 10 degree plus sin 70 degree sin 10 degree. So this is my first step. So this is your question. Okay, this left hand side is your question. Huh? So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is the formula? Cos A minus B. The formula is cos A minus cos B plus sin A sin B. So what is the formula? Cos A minus B. What is A? 70 degree. A is 70 degree minus what is B? 10 degree. So cos 70 minus 10 degree will be cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60 degree? It is half. That is equal to right hand side. Finished. Okay. Same. So now let us do 6 number. In 6 number, what is in left hand side? What it is given? 10 degree plus 10, 35 degree plus 10, 10 degree, 10 45 degree equal to 1. You have to show 1. So for that, very simple. First of all, you have to write. We know 10 45 degree. What is the value of 10 45 degree? It is 1. 10 45 degree is 1. Why I have written in this manner? Because the reason is I have to split 45 degree. See, 10 degree and 35 degree. Now, so what I will write in place of 45 degree? 10 degree plus 35 degree. 45 degree itself. Why I have written such that 10a plus b I will write in terms of formula. Okay, what is the formula of 10a plus b? 10a plus b is 10a plus 10b. So 10a plus 10b by 1 minus 10a 10b equal to 1. I have written the formula 10a plus 10b by 1 minus 10a 10b. So I will take this part I will take that side. When I will take this part that side, 1 into this will be this itself, now 1 into cross multiplying. So 10 degree plus 10 35 degree equal to 1 into this part. 1 into this part will be this part itself after cross multiplying. So you will be getting this. Now, so according to the question, this part is okay. This part will be transferred to left hand side. When you bring this part this side, right hand side, 1 it will remain. So that stands 10 degree plus 10 35 degree. So minus, when it will come this side, it will be plus 10 degree, 10 35 degree, that is equal to 1. Finished. So if this type of question comes, you have to go through this. So in each number, what is the left hand side? You have to consider left hand side. The left hand side is 10 45 degree plus alpha, 10 45 degree minus alpha. You have to show right hand side equal to 1. So just place the formula 10a plus b. What is the formula? 10a plus 10b by 1 minus 10a 10b dot means multiplying 10a minus b. What is 10a minus b? 10a minus 10b by 1 minus 10a. Sorry, it will be plus. No? So 10 45 degree, what is the value? 1. So 1 plus 10 alpha by 1 minus 10 45 is 1. So 1 into 10 alpha is 10 alpha into 10 45 1 minus 10 alpha by 1 plus 10 45 1 into 10 alpha is 10 alpha. Now you can see 1 plus 10 alpha, 1 plus 10 alpha. It will be cancelled out. This part cancelled. Similarly, this and this part will be cancelled. After cancelling, you will be getting 1, which is equal to right hand side. Finished. See question number 17. Okay, in 17, sin alpha plus beta cos alpha plus gamma minus cos alpha plus beta sin alpha plus gamma. So you can split sin alpha plus beta, you can write in formula also, na? Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. That way also can be written. Or there is also another technique. You can see sin that part alpha plus beta, you can consider it as A. Okay. And cos alpha plus gamma, you can consider it as B. Next, minus cos alpha plus beta. Cos alpha plus beta will be what? Cos alpha plus will be cos A. That means instead of splitting sin alpha plus beta, you can split the whole term together. Whole term you can split together. When you split, what it will be? Cos sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is the formula? Sin A minus B. So what is A? Alpha plus beta. Plus or minus? Minus. Minus B. What it is B? B is alpha plus gamma. B is alpha plus gamma. Alpha, if you write alpha plus gamma, then you write in this manner. So sin alpha plus beta minus alpha plus minus gamma. So this and this cancelled. You got sin beta minus gamma. Finished in 2 or 3 steps. Finished. Okay, in 2 or 3 steps. We will see now question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, what it is given to us? Tan theta minus tan phi equal to x. And secondly, cot phi minus cot theta equal to y is given to us. Then we are asked to solve that cot phi minus theta or theta minus phi. We are asked to find cot theta minus phi equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. We will solve it. So before showing that, this part is okay, this part will be as it is. We will touch this part. So cot phi can be written as, what is the reciprocal of cot? Tan. So we can write tan phi minus 1 by tan theta equal to y. So now you take LCM, tan phi, tan theta. So what it will be here? Here it will be tan theta also. No? If we divide tan theta, tan phi by this part, this and this will be cancelled, this will be minus, what it will be here? Tan phi equal to y. So you can see tan theta minus tan phi. What is the value of tan theta minus tan phi? X, no? So xy tan phi tan theta equal to y. So reciprocal list down. When you reciprocal, what it will be? Tan phi by tan theta by x equal to, it is 1 by y. Reciprocate. Now tan phi tan theta equal to this x. I will take here. So it will be x by y. Okay. So tan theta minus tan phi, I have placed here x. So if you one number, so using 1 here is 2 number. Okay, so then phi tan theta equal to x by y. Now you might be thinking that why I have converted this cot phi and cot theta. Cot phi and cot theta. Why I have converted it to tan? But the question is given in cot theta minus phi equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Why I have converted into tan form? You can convert this part also. What I will do, although this is in the tan form, and this part also I have converted it in tan form. So this part also I have to convert. So this part, what is the reciprocal of this? 1 by tan theta minus phi. So after that I will use the formula. Okay, I will use the formula of tan. I have converted into tan form. If you are thinking I have converted into cot form, then also it is possible. But this is very easy. So this is 1 number, this is 2 number. Now what is left hand side? Cot theta minus phi. So now cot theta minus phi can be written as tan theta minus phi. Reciprocal. I have taken the reciprocal. So 1 by tan A minus B. What is the formula? Tan A minus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this much, after this much we write it first, then we continue next. Next one I will write. So 1 by tan theta minus tan phi is x by 1 minus tan theta tan phi is x by y. So x by y. One mistake I had did here, it didn't say. One mistake I had did. Tan A minus B is what? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So here it will be plus. So here also it will be plus. So when I was solving this part, then I came to know that there is a mistake. How I came to know? Okay, here will be 380. You'll see what is the right hand side. Right hand side is 1 by x plus 1 by y. So in that right hand side, plus sign is there. So obviously here no minus sign will come, plus sign will come. That means I was thinking that somewhere I had written minus. Okay, so that is the case. So this is in the numerator, this part is in the denominator. You can see. So first of all, let us find the LCM. So here 1, so what is the LCM? Y is the LCM. So y is the LCM. So here y plus x will come. So now you know what will happen. This part will go up and this will be multiplied with this term. This part will go up. Y plus x or x plus y, same thing. I will write x plus y by this and this will be multiplied. When they will be multiplied, they will be the denominator. Okay, they will be the denominator. So x plus y by xy I got. Now you split. xy plus y by xy. Finished. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. 1 by y plus 1 by x. Or you can write 1 by x plus 1 by y according to right hand side. So that is our answer. So that is 2 number. Okay, 3 number. This is our last side. Very lengthy. 3 number. If theta and phi are acute positive angles and sin theta equal to 3 by 5, sin phi equal to 5 by 13, then find the value of sin theta plus phi. Then you are again asked to find the value of cos theta minus phi and tan theta plus phi. So we are asked to find the value of sin theta plus phi. What is the formula of sin theta plus phi? Sin theta cos phi plus cos theta sin phi. So sin theta and cos phi, sin theta and sin phi values are given to you, but cos theta and cos phi values are not mentioned. So what I will do, sin theta, using sin theta I will find cos theta, and using sin phi I will find cos phi. So you already know the formulas. If I multiply that sin theta equal to 3 by 5 it is given to us. Similarly, sin phi equal to 5 by 13 it is mentioned. So now sin theta, you already know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Now, but here it is given to us sin theta. So I will similarly cos theta will be what? If sin theta is this, then cos theta will be what? 1 minus sin square theta. Now, sin theta equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. So similarly cos theta will be root over 1 minus sin square theta. So which one I will be writing? Now I will be writing cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. Directly I wrote. Now if you don't want to mention directly, you can use this part and so on. Okay, so cos theta is root over 1 minus sin square theta. So root over 1 minus what is sin theta value? 3 by 5 whole square. 1 minus 9 by 25. So after taking LCM, 25 minus 9 by 25. So square root of 25 minus 9 is 16 by 25. So the square root of 16 is 4 and the square root of 25 is 5. So 4 by 5. Cos theta value 4 by 5. Now similarly sin phi. So cos phi, we know cos phi equal to 1 minus sin square phi. 1 minus sin phi 5 by 13 whole square. So 5 is 25 is 13 square is 169. So 169 minus 25 by 169. 169 minus 25, 144 by 169. Square root of 144 is 12 and 169 is 13. So your work cos phi value 12 by 13. Now what is the question? We are asked to find sin theta plus phi. No? See the question, what is the question? Sin theta plus phi. Huh? Sin the formula and then place the values, you will get the answer. So it is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So what is the value of sin theta? 3 by 5. Huh? What is the formula of sin theta? 3 by 5 into cos phi. What do we know cos phi? 12 by 30 plus cos theta is 4 by 5 into sin phi 5 by 5. Is there answer? No answer. 3 into 12, 36 by 5 into 30, 65 plus 5 4 ja 20, 1 30 ja 65. Take the LCM. 65. 36 plus 20. It is 56 by 65. No answer. This is your answer. So similarly, minus 5. Cos theta minus 5, A minus B. Cos A, cos B. Minus sin A, sin B. So cos theta value minus, so here will be plus. So very careful. Cos theta value, what is the value of cos theta? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. So cos theta is 4 over 5 into cos 5. 12 by 13 plus sin theta 3 by 5 into 5 by 30. So 48 by 65 plus 15 by 65. Take the LCM. 48 plus 15. So it is 31/6. So this is the answer. Ten A plus 10B by 1 minus 10A 10B. But is there any formula of 10 theta and 10 phi? Not mentioned in the book. We have solved, not given. So what will you do now? You have to know the values of 10 theta and 10 phi and then paste it. And then solve, you will get the answer. But there is no value of 10 theta. So what will you do? You have to write sidewise 10 theta. 10 theta, what is the formula of 10 theta? Sin theta by cos theta. See, now we already know the value of sin theta and cos theta. Place the values of sin theta and cos theta. You will get tan theta. Similarly, tan phi, sin phi by cos phi. So place the values of sin phi and cos phi. You will get the value of tan phi. Okay, after getting both the values, substitute here and then solve. You will get the required answer. Do try this at home. Okay. So next time we will solve the remaining sums. Thank you.